Living in Orangeburg, a city where nature, community, and urban life intersect, offers many benefits. However, as with any urban area, unwanted noise pollution can sometimes interfere with the tranquility of your home. Whether it's the sounds of traffic, construction, or neighborhood activities, constant noise can negatively affect your quality of life. This is where the importance of slider windows comes into play. Slider windows, with their sleek, modern design and smooth functionality, are a popular choice for homeowners seeking natural light and ventilation. But beyond these benefits, slider windows also have a significant impact on noise reduction in your home. In this article, we'll explore how slider windows can help mitigate external noise, offering you a quieter, more peaceful living environment in Orangeburg. How slider windows contribute to noise reduction. Slider windows are designed with two sashes that move horizontally along a track, making them easy to open and close. The main feature that impacts noise reduction in slider windows is their multi-pane construction. Many modern slider windows are made with double pane or even triple pane glass, which plays a crucial role in blocking out unwanted sound. Multi-pane glass windows help reduce noise by creating layers of insulating air or gas between the panes. This barrier dampens the sound waves from the outside, making it harder for them to travel into your home. The thicker the glass and the more panes you have, the better the window's soundproofing abilities. For Orangeburg homes that are near busy roads, construction zones, or urban areas, slider windows with double or triple glazing can significantly reduce the volume of external noise, providing a more peaceful indoor environment. Types of noise slider windows can reduce. One of the most significant benefits of slider windows in terms of noise reduction is their ability to minimize various types of external sound. Here are some examples of the types of noise slider windows can help block. Traffic noise. Homes located near busy streets or highways often experience the constant hum of passing cars, trucks, and motorcycles. Slider windows with soundproofing features can significantly reduce the volume of traffic noise, making it less disruptive to your daily life. Construction noise. Whether it's residential or commercial development, construction noise can be a constant nuisance for homeowners in areas undergoing expansion or renovation. Slider windows can help keep the loud sounds of drilling, hammering, and machinery at bay, allowing for a more comfortable living space. Neighborhood sounds. From children playing to dogs barking and social gatherings, noise from surrounding homes and neighborhoods can also disrupt your peace. Slider windows equipped with noise-reducing glass can block out these sounds, creating a quieter atmosphere inside your home. What to look for in noise-reducing slider windows. Not all slider windows are equally effective at noise reduction. When shopping for slider windows, it's essential to look for features that specifically enhance soundproofing. Here are some important factors to consider. Double or triple pane glass. The more layers of glass in a window, the better it will be at blocking sound. Double pane windows are standard in modern slider windows, but triple pane windows offer even greater soundproofing capabilities, especially in homes located in noisy areas. Low E coatings. Low emissivity, low E coatings on the glass can enhance soundproofing by reducing the amount of sound that passes through the window. This coating helps maintain the indoor temperature while also improving the window's ability to block out noise. Laminated glass. Some high-end slider windows use laminated glass, which features a layer of plastic or polymer sandwiched between two sheets of glass. This type of glass is highly effective at reducing sound transmission, providing superior noise reduction for homes near noisy environments. Window seals. Even the best multi-pane glass won't provide optimal noise reduction if the window frame isn't properly sealed. Be sure to choose slider windows with tight-fitting seals to prevent air leaks and reduce noise infiltration. Energy efficiency and noise reduction. In addition to blocking out noise, slider windows with energy-efficient features provide other benefits. Double and triple pane windows not only reduce noise but also enhance insulation, keeping your home comfortable and energy efficient year-round. This is especially important in Orangeburg, where seasonal temperature fluctuations can cause heating and cooling systems to work harder. By investing in energy-efficient slider windows, you're not just improving your home's noise reduction, you're also lowering your energy bills and improving overall comfort. This dual benefit makes slider windows an excellent choice for homeowners looking for both peaceful living and cost savings. Increased comfort and privacy. By reducing external noise, slider windows make it easier to enjoy a quiet, private, and comfortable living space. Whether you work from home, have young children, or simply want to unwind after a long day, a quiet environment is essential for mental well-being and relaxation. Slider windows provide a calmer, more serene atmosphere, improving the overall quality of life for you and your family. Additionally, slider windows with noise-reducing features also help increase privacy. With less noise entering your home, you can enjoy your space without worrying about outside sounds disrupting your peace. This is particularly valuable in more densely populated areas or neighborhoods where homes are closer together. Long-term investment in your home. Installing slider windows that provide both noise reduction and energy efficiency is an investment that can pay off in the long term. Not only will you enjoy a more comfortable and quiet living environment, but you'll also be making your home more appealing to future buyers. A home with energy-efficient and soundproofed windows is often more attractive on the real estate market, increasing its value and making it a more desirable property. Conclusion: the power of slider windows in reducing noise. For Orangeburg homeowners seeking a quieter, more comfortable living space, slider windows are an excellent solution. With their ability to reduce traffic noise, minimize construction disturbances, and block out unwanted neighborhood sounds, slider windows can significantly improve your quality of life. By choosing windows with multi-pane glass, laminated glass, and high-quality seals, you can enjoy a quieter, more peaceful home, all while benefiting from energy savings and increased privacy. Investing in high-quality slider windows that enhance both noise reduction and energy efficiency is a smart choice for homeowners who want to create a serene and comfortable environment in their Orangeburg homes.